So I got my 3-pack of filters here. Johnny's got some good lunch. We're gonna change the LG air filter. It's right there in dead nuts center, in the back there. And it looks like close. How do I do this without breaking it too much? Did it? Whoa, 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 why do I feel like I'm gonna break something? I don't wanna break nothing here. Close, open. Oh yeah, oh, there you go, bloop. So I got this. It's a twist, as you can see. Let's see if he's gonna be pissed off and beep at me in a minute. Oh my God, here. Yeah. I got them off Amazon. I'll put the link on there, and we'll get it working. So, fresh air filter. That's pretty neat. My pack got 3. Oh, look it! You can hear it peed. So, front out. Front out. That just says front. So it goes like that. It says front. Then open, close. Looks like you go like this. Catch it in the slots. I think I got it right. There we go. And that's it. Why does that feel like? Yep, that's good. There we go. This filter didn't look that bad, but we're ready to go. And all the harder to take the package out. So, hey babe. There you go. Filter reset. And fresh air filter reset. Our LG is back to good. Thanks guys. Under 2 minutes, you had it going in the thin Q inverter linear. Thanks guys.